Anyway, today's sheet is how to wiring this LED Christmas lights. So it is wires in this case. So there is LED Christmas lights, and then take use this wire here and angle. First step you need to take is tools you need: electrical tape, electrical voltage tester, wire strippers, a Phillips and screwdriver, electrical charger box. There is the cover. There is a black cable. There you go. First step you need to take and use this wire, and then take this pull this wire here. There's no powder. Then there you go. Okay, so remove the wires here, and then pull, and we'll remove this pull this up. There you go. First step. The second step you need to take is take two wires. Take this trace this ground. So this let wires to two wire this box. You can see using this the two wires, and then there's a cable. So the only thing you use is to take it as a cable. So this, and to take it uses this. Let's strip this up. Strip this two. Strip the burden. And we'll take it through the two wires here in the back. So the way to take it using this trace two wires here on the back. So let's say this trace two wires at position. In the tree, this say trace silver wire, and I'll take this silver wire here, then trace these wires, and then we'll put it, then trace these wires in the back side, and there you go. First step, we need to take it using these wires, then connect to ground to wrap this using this electrical tape, and when they take uses electrical tape, it is wrap it smooth, and when they take using the electrical tape, this is wrap it smooth here, then tight. So then the thing uses wire, and then you use to wrap this when they take using this electrical tape, when they'll take using this wrap and smooth. Then connect to wiring, and they'll take using this wire, and then pull these wires into back, and really take using. Next, you have to take this wire here, and you'll take this junction box, and you take this installing wire junction box here. but then put this the wire and then take it put this again box over here, and the take it uses a gun box, and it is a electrical box, and then using this wire then put this wire here, then okay, so then let's strip this 40 gauge wire, and using this, and then pull up the inch, and then pull these wires to strip this. There you go. Okay, so then let's see this too long. Next, there is a wire here. This wire silver, and I take it using this take this wire into box. So let's see this wire and the two wires to the ground. There you go. So third step we need is to take this wire here, and the take is using these two screws. Then twist this bend this up two wires here. Then bend it up. Then pull this up the strip, and then pull this wires this transfer brace. Then screw the wires into electrical transfer box. Then pull these wires and tie it down and set screws and tie it down. Okay, so first step you need to then install your cover. Okay, this is cover plate. There you go. So well done. So there you go. Okay, so next step we do is install junction box LED light.